Good evening, student. I hope you are all well. Now, today I want to discuss about the basic structure of the HTML document. In my previous video, I discussed about the software by which you can run your HTML code through your Android mobile phone. Now, here I want to discuss the basic structure of the HTML document. Okay, and as well as how we can write simple HTML code. So first, here I want to open the software by which we can write our HTML page or HTML code. So one is the so here I want to open the text editor. Now you can see there is the code. So first you need to open HTML tag and then close the HTML tag in the last line. Now you can see within the HTML tag there is the two section. One is the head section. You can check the second line and the fourth line. Second line, that is the opening tag for head, and the fourth line, that is the closing tag for head. So this section contains information about your HTML document, like the title of the web page and the version of the HTML. So that is the first section, that is the head section. And another section, that is the body section. This section contains everything that you want to display on your web page. Actually, this section contains content of the web page. If you want to display some picture on a web page, on your web page, then you just put that some tag for your picture here within the body section. If you insert some paragraph or heading on your web page, for your web page, you need to write some tag in this section, the body section. So there is two section. One is the head section, another one is the body section. Now here we write some heading. So how we can write heading for our website? There are six tag is available to create heading, H1 to H6. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Only one difference between the heading, that is the size. So suppose here I want to insert three heading for our website, for our web page. So here I select first is the H1 tag, then H2 and then H6. So first we write H1 tag and then close the H1 tag. Within the H1 tag you just insert your first heading. Here we just write first heading, and the second line here we just write the second heading, and next I choose H6, that is the last heading. Okay, so now I want to run this tag or this page. Now check the difference. So only one difference here. If you select H1 or H6, that is the difference between their size. Clear everyone? So that is the tag by which you can easily insert some heading on your web page or for your web page. So in this video you learned about the basic structure of the web page. That is the first here you can check, that is the first section, that is head section. Head section that contains information about your HTML document, either the title of the web page or the HTML version. And the next section is the body section that contains content of the web page. Actually that contains everything that you want to display on your web page. Okay, so here we just insert some heading for our web page. That's why we write here three different types of tag here, H1, H2, H6. If you want to insert another heading for your website, then you need to write, either you can choose H1 or H2 as you wish. That is totally depends on you. So here we select one tag, that is H3 for our next heading. So within the H3 tag, here we put another heading, that is doubts clear. Okay, that is the next heading. Now I want to run this code. Now check the difference, that is the doubts clear. It will comes in my web page. So in this video you learned about how we can write heading and how we can and the basic structure of the HTML document. Okay, so in my next video I want to discuss about the background color. If we want to change the background color of my web page, that is white, but I want to change the background color of the web page, as well as I want to insert some marquee. So in my next video I want to discuss on that topic. And you can also check my first video where I discuss about the software requirement. Okay, if you want to run HTML code on your Android mobile phone, then you need to install some software. So please check everyone in my first video. Okay, and please if any query, any doubt, you can also write your query and your question in the comment box. Okay, and please share this video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so bye everyone.